opening and evaluating your order is pretty straightforward. We covered a lot of this in the evaluating your sample order, but it's a little bit different here because this is your actual inventory order. So when it comes in, you want to make sure that the lead time quote matched with the reality. So if they said that they was going to take 30 days to ship to you through freight on the sea, and you get it in 50 days, a 20-day lead time is a very big difference. So you need to know this for when you're running low on your initial order, and you can also structure that into your contract when you first have them, and you make sure you use our contract template to get all of those things added in there. You can have penalties that they incur for each day that it's delayed, etc., etc. Products quality, this is the most important thing that we're evaluating. I would open about 5 to 10 boxes, just kind of spot check the samples. You don't have to look at every single one. You just want to kind of get a randomized group from multiple boxes. So you want to make sure that check if any of the items were damaged. You want to make sure that the packaging is still intact when it arrives. You want to make sure that you received the proper number of items. You want to see if there were any excess fees occurred with the shipping, importation taxes, stuff like that. You want to make sure that the communication was top notch. When we do our importing, we make sure that they send photographs at every stage. If they fail the first inspection, we make them pay for the second inspection. All of those things are in our contract template, but these are just some of the things that we look for. So what to do if something's wrong? The first thing you want to do is you want to contact the manufacturer immediately and explain the problem. When we first started making fidget spinners, they all were breaking, and so we had them send out a replacement of almost $15,000 because they used the wrong material and they were all cracked and breaking, and so it was a very big problem, and it delayed our launch by quite a bit. And the samples looked great, but the plastic that they used didn't work out well. Second, you want to contact Alibaba if the products were made there. If you use trade assurance or anything like that, you want to make sure that you contact them, let them know immediately of the issue. You want to either look for a reimbursement or you want to get a shipment out right away so that you don't suffer any sort of inventory loss.